late night before Thursday shift, nagmang-inasal kami. And we ordered this family pack. Mas naubos naming dalawa. Family of 2. My nails, it got burned with wax. Oh, may bata na naman pong nawawala. Let's go, Filipino! Wow, let's go! Dito kasi may 10 eh, no? Doon sa SM may 10.
Ah, dito ba wala?
Here at Belly Bob. Kimchi. Yeah.
Ang buswanga, sobrang dami. Hindi ka pa gumiba up.
Going to watch anong movie yun?
Hello, love.
Again?
Goodbye.
Bye? Let's see if we're gonna
I don't know the title. I know Hello, Love.
Oh, that's my sister. Yes. She's bringing me some coffee. Sorry, hot chocolate from Dunkin' Donuts.
Sabi ko kay ate, paano makakagawa ng poster ng SB19?
Ah.
Kanina lang pala.
Hey.
Hey.
We're here again at SM. We're going to watch
Hello, Love again.
Hello, Love again. And we're going to rate it later.
Hi, Dunkin'. Merry Christmas, Dunkin'.
Let's sponsor naman siya. Watching Hello, Love Again.
Hello, Love again.
Goodbye. The Dua Lipa's concert, and I'm just trying to watch or edit pa. But I actually have this McDo from Grab. And sabi dun sa Grab is newly and improved daw. So, yan na yung newly and improved nila. Wait. The fuck? Yan ang improved. But wait. I also got this spicy, I don't know, barbecue. So, nakita ko lang siya. So, I will try again if okay siya. Then, I also added additional sauce. So, let's see later. Guys, I'm going to try out this McDo glazed barbecue. Chicken, whatever. Let's go. Oh, I zoom in. Let's go. Nothing special, but they've had better glaze before. I also ordered this new McFlurry hazelnut, so let's try this one. Okay, so actually this cost 85 pesos. Pero grabe, sobrang ang liit niya na. Then pag open mo, ganyan lang siya. What the? Tanggal natin yung cover. Yan. So ganyan lang siya kakonti. As in, 85. The fuck? Okay. Skin try this now. Sobrang yung bilis matunaw. But I would prefer Oreo, pero waste of money, guys. Waste of money. So I'm actually watching Singapore vlogs for our upcoming trip, and now I end up watching Yura Jung. Like, I need to catch up with her YouTube vlogs. I so love her. So time check, guys. It's already 5:17 in the morning, and I just binge watched Yura Jung's vlogs, like literally, because I missed her like 7 to 8 vlogs for the past couple of months. And yeah, instead of making my itinerary, like our itinerary for the Singapore, I haven't finished it. So I don't know. My sister is asking to wake her up at around 6, and we're trying to go jogging if it's not gonna rain kasi sobrang maulan yesterday, which is Sunday. So hopefully yung bagyo is si Pepito, yung mom saying si Pepito, mawala na siya by this weekend, because it's going to be Stray Kids concert and it's going to be at PH Arena. So I don't want to have some hassle, because sobrang hassle talaga pag umulan sa PH Arena, because I remember the first time we went there during 17's concert, sobrang maulan. So please lang makiayon sana yung panahon. But yeah, probably I'll do another vlog for that. But I think I'm just gonna go check out some itineraries first, and I'll ask my sister if we're gonna go out by 6. So hopefully, because kailangan nating mag-jogging. But later, guys.
Please, yung passport po ninyo ay meron po available sa inyo off-road. Ito po mga tips na ito ay para po sa inyo. So unang-una, dapat po meron po kayong room accommodation. So again, medyo paulit-ulit na po kami dito, but lagi po namin sasabihin sa inyo, hindi po kami magsasama. To make po sa mga hinihingi ng mga immigration officer natin sa Pilipinas, to prove na kayo po ay travel, is that dapat po the 3 is okay, pero kung kompletong 3 meron kayo, wala din problema.
Good morning. So we finally got a chance to jog. And my sister, and we're finally going to jog. Pero first things first, sometime breakfast.
I don't know.
Breakfast. I want breakfast.
Come what may. Yeah.
Yeah.
Meron mo mga tag? Online?
Oh, yan po. She's vlogging again. She's vlogging again here at Marikina Sports Center. Oh, she's running na. She's running na. Go, girl. Palaro Marikina 2023. Carlos Yulo. Carlos Yulo mo nga. Video. Nice. So cute. Now this Cookie Monster. Sabi ni Kuya, it's white chocolate. Kain ko na. Sarap mainit. Price lang kasi 55. But matcha latte. Okay na, dito pa lang nakahalo.
colorful. Or colorful. And trying out the pesto. Wag, 1 minute lang talaga yun.
Na naman pong tao. Hey, we're back here.
Wala si ate.
And we're going to massage. Bye, till next vlog.